darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left his seals while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, in the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold, and then, when my eyes were stared by a flash of a neon light, the split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked night I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, weary without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. Wonder, just heard the sound of silence. Fools and right who do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that